Hey, it's V, how are you? In today's video, I will show you how to change your t-shirt to a fitted corset dress from Fenty, Rihanna. To begin, turn your t-shirt inside out. I don't have a mannequin anymore, so I'm doing this on myself. Pin in the front to create the princess seam. If you call it the princess seam, by the way, I'm not sure, so let me know. Once you're done with the front, repeat the same process with the back. And if you're done with pinning, take off the shirt. If you use safety pins, then you don't have to be afraid to hurt yourself. You can also use a washable marker to mark it along the sides. After repinning, sew where the pins are placed with a straight stitch. I did the front first, then the back. I started sewing from the bottom until the shoulder seam. My shirt was also way too oversized, so I had to take it in more in the back, front, and also in the sides. If you're planning to do this, use a t-shirt that is not too oversized. I wish I got this t-shirt in a size L or an M. Optional is to top stitch along the seam. I don't know about you, but I do like the inside more than the outside. It looks cool because of the seam allowance, in my opinion. Let me know which size you like more. That's all. Have a nice day. Okay, bye.